In this worksheet, you are given the price per pound that a bakery paid each of 6 suppliers for sugar, butter, and flour. You want to determine the amount paid to each supplier for sugar, flour, and butter as shown in the file. Also, you want to determine the total amount paid. First, I'm going to select cell E23 and enter formula E5 multiply by E14. Push return key. This will calculate the amount spent with supplier 1 on sugar. Next, I wanted to copy to the other cells. All I need to do is push left button, make the cross show up in the right bottom of cell E23, and pull it over. Again, I can pull to the bottom from the top until the whole area is covered. Next, I want to calculate the total amount spent on each supplier and total amount spent on each ingredient, and also the grand total of the spending. I can highlight the area and click Autosum and then copy it down. Again, I can further pick Sum and select E23 to E28. Then I can copy to cell F29 to G29. There you go. So this is the grand total in cell H29, and from H23 to H28 is the amount spent on each supplier, and from cell E29 to G29 are the amount spent on each of the ingredients. That's it. Thanks for watching.